Hello, Ninas. How you doing? Welcome to today's literacy class. My name is Mrs. Bukeri, and today's topic is pronoun. So let's dive into what pronoun is. Pronouns are words we use instead of a noun. Pronouns are words when we don't want to say, we don't want to keep repeating word noun, such as Ade, Bimpe, Lagos, Nigeria, table. We replace them with pronouns. Examples are he, she, it, we, they. So these are examples of pronoun. We say he for a boy. So when you see a boy or a male, we rather use he. So we don't want to keep calling the name of that boy. We want to replace it with a pronoun. We say he. Now, example is this: he is a gentle boy. He is coming. We say she for a girl. Whenever you see a girl or a female, we use she for such a person. So we don't want to keep repeating the name like I said. We say she is used to replace that particular noun. Example, she is licking her ice cream. Instead of saying Bimpe or Daniela is licking her ice cream, we just say she is licking her ice cream. Now we use it for a thing or animal. We use it for a thing or animal. So rather than saying the table is yellow, we can say it is yellow. So we are using it for that thing or for particular animal. Now, for a quick recap, she is used for a girl, he is used for a boy, while it is used for a thing or animal. Hope you get that. I hope you get it. Make sure you study well. Right? Okay. So a big well done to you for listening. Make sure you practice your pronouns. See you in the next class. Bye.